Brady automated labeling and portable printers improve efficiency with fast printing and application performance for increased productivity in factory automation and datacom. The A6200 wrap printer applicator delivers quality printing with bulk roll compatibility. The A6200 offers flexibility in work environments with a compact and lightweight design that wraps wires in 7 seconds and features an intuitive interface and multiple network connections. For higher volume and to elevate workplace automation, the automated A6500 Wire ID printer applicator simplifies the printing and application process into a single unit that wraps wires in 5 seconds and reduces production time and material expenses. The A6500 features onboard print job management, internal memory, and USB and Ethernet connectivity to seamlessly run on a wide range of label sizes and wire diameters. For on-site jobs or contractors on the go, the M410 is a durable label printer for job site printing, offering 12+ purpose-built materials to take on whatever your work demands. The high efficiency provides edge-to-edge printing at high resolution with keypad and desktop software capability.